To set touch and hold delay to your custom duration in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Under touch settings section, tap touch and hold delay and then select custom. Now tap and hold the box for your desired duration. Tap set button. By choosing this setting, now your phone will recognize touch and hold when you do a continuous touch for the duration that you have set before. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.